Hello, and welcome to this special episode by RenovationX.ae. Today, we're unlocking the secrets behind Dubai's most luxurious bathroom remodeling projects. Bathrooms here aren't just functional, they're artistic, technological, and deeply personal sanctuaries. We'll take you on a journey to discover how Dubai has redefined bathroom design, blending opulence with innovation. Whether you're dreaming of a minimalist modern bathroom or an indulgent spa retreat, this guide will show you how to make it a reality. So sit back, relax, and get ready to immerse yourself in the world of stunning designs, cutting-edge features, and transformative ideas. The essence of Dubai bathroom design. In Dubai, bathroom design is about more than functionality, it's about creating an experience. Bathrooms are seen as personal sanctuaries, combining comfort, technology, and style in perfect harmony. What makes Dubai stand out? Let's explore. From Italian marble to hand-carved wooden vanities, the materials used reflect a commitment to perfection. Every element, from the faucets to the lighting, is chosen for its beauty and quality. You'll often find subtle nods to Arabian architecture, like geometric patterns, arches, or gold accents. Dubai's bathrooms often feature smart mirrors, temperature-controlled floors, and automated showers, visuals of different styles, sleek modern bathrooms, traditional designs, and spa-like retreats. And remember, it's not just about appearances. A well-designed bathroom also improves functionality and enhances your daily routine, creating a space that feels uniquely yours. The remodeling journey. Let's dive into the process of creating a dream bathroom in Dubai. It's a journey that combines vision, expertise, and meticulous planning. Step 1. Creating the vision. The first step is understanding what you want. Do you dream of a luxurious spa retreat with a freestanding tub? Or a sleek, minimalist design with smart features? Designers in Dubai excel at transforming your ideas into a concrete plan, complete with mood boards and 3D renderings. Step 2. Material selection. The materials define the character of the bathroom. Popular choices include Italian Carrara marble for timeless elegance, gold or rose gold fixtures for a touch of glamour, sustainable and eco-friendly materials like bamboo and recycled glass for the environmentally conscious. Step 3. Integrating smart features. In Dubai, bathrooms are tech-savvy. Imagine setting the perfect bath temperature or changing the lighting with just your voice. Other popular features include smart mirrors with weather updates and virtual assistants, water-saving fixtures that are both eco-friendly and stylish, Bluetooth-enabled speakers for a personalized sound experience. Step 4. The transformation. Once the design and materials are finalized, expert contractors bring the vision to life. Skilled artisans ensure that every tile, fixture, and surface is installed with precision. The result? A flawless blend of style and functionality. Real-life bathroom transformations. A tiny space transformed into a sleek, functional bathroom featuring touchless faucets, hidden storage, and LED lighting. This design includes a rain shower, a deep soaking tub, and aromatherapy features. The earthy tones and lush greenery create a serene atmosphere. Perfect for families, this bathroom includes double vanities, durable surfaces, and playful yet sophisticated elements to accommodate kids and adults alike. Trends shaping bathroom design in Dubai. Dubai's bathrooms are constantly evolving. Here are the hottest trends for 2024. Rich, jewel tones are making a comeback. Paired with textures like matte finishes and patterned tiles, Dubai homeowners are increasingly adopting sustainable practices, using water-efficient fixtures and eco-conscious designs. Bathrooms are becoming wellness havens with features like steam showers, heated floors, and even chromotherapy lighting. From AI-controlled showers to app-enabled lighting, technology is redefining bathroom convenience. Practical tips for your remodeling journey. Ready to start your bathroom remodeling project? Keep these tips in mind. Luxury doesn't have to break the bank. Work with your designer to prioritize key elements. Beauty is important, but a great bathroom is also practical and easy to maintain. High-quality materials and fixtures may cost more initially but offer better durability and resale value. Final thoughts. Dubai has truly set the gold standard in bathroom remodeling. With its perfect balance of luxury, technology, and personal expression, there's no limit to what you can achieve. I hope this guide has inspired you to think creatively about your own space. Whether it's a simple upgrade or a full-scale remodel, your dream bathroom is within reach. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who's planning a remodeling project. Until next time, dream big, and let's make every day a luxurious one. Visit our luxury showroom in Al Quoz 4, Dubai, to experience our latest bathroom innovations firsthand. Touch the premium materials, test our smart fixtures, and see why Dubai's elite choose RenovationX. Schedule your private consultation today at 0488 28933, or visit renovationx.ae. For daily inspiration, follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Renovations, where we showcase our latest luxury transformations. Join our prestigious client list and experience the difference that true luxury makes. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more inspiration, and remember, every day is an opportunity to create something extraordinary. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Dubai's top bathroom remodeling services.